Starting a YouTube channel can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Let's break it down step by step. First, you need to define your channel's purpose and audience. Ask yourself, what are you passionate about? What knowledge or skills can you share? This clarity will guide your content and attract viewers who resonate with your message. Next, let's talk about setting up and branding your channel. Choose a channel name that reflects your niche and is easy to remember. Create a compelling channel banner and logo that visually represent your brand. Consistency is key here. Use the same colors and fonts across all your social media platforms to build recognition. Now, on to planning your first videos. Start by brainstorming topics that align with your purpose and audience interests. Create a content calendar to organize your ideas and schedule. This will help you stay on track and ensure you're consistently uploading. Remember, your first few videos don't have to be perfect. Focus on delivering value and improving with each upload. If you're camera shy or prefer not to show your face, don't worry. There are plenty of ways to create engaging content without being on camera. You can use screen recordings, animations, or even voiceovers with slides. Tools like Canva or PowerPoint can help you create visually appealing presentations. Just make sure your audio quality is clear. Invest in a decent microphone if you can. Once your videos are created, it's time to upload and optimize them. Craft catchy titles that include relevant keywords to help your videos appear in search results. Write detailed descriptions and include tags that accurately represent your content. Don't forget to create eye-catching thumbnails. They play a crucial role in attracting clicks. Consistency is vital for growth. Aim to upload regularly, whether it's once a week or bi-weekly. This keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. Track your analytics to see what works and what doesn't. Adjust your strategy based on viewer feedback and performance metrics. As you grow, consider monetizing your channel. You can join the YouTube Partner Program once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. But there are other ways to earn too. Think about affiliate marketing, sponsorships, or creating merchandise. Diversifying your income streams can help you turn your passion into a sustainable business. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. Stay patient, keep learning, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. Your unique voice and perspective are what will ultimately set you apart. So, get started and let your creativity shine.